Thursday. So, today is Thursday. Ihahatid natin ang mga bagets sa school kasi wala gusto na nilang magpahatid kasi nga malapit na yung end of school. 3 days na lang ang school nila. So, today are 4 days. Count mo ng today. So, Thursday, Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. So, 4 days. So, yeah. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. But, ihahatid natin sila sa school. And, merong, wala tayong ano ba yan? Ang dilim natin. Anong oras na ba kasi? Ay, alis na pala tayo. Ano na? 6:47 na pala. So, let's go. So, guys, akala ko anong oras pa lang. Ano na pala? 6:50 na pala. So, kaya, ayan. Hati na natin sila sa school. Let's go, people. You guys, Joy, here's your drink. Alright, sit down, boy. Alright, let's go to school.
Yeah, I will have a soda to play. I'll take your picture.
Let Caleb, let Troy do it for now, Caleb.
Levi has it.
Alright, love you guys. Love you. Love you, love you. Go! Go, cause there's a car coming, silly kids. Bye! These kids, they like to play. They like to play. Alright, let's go home because we have to go to the store today, guys. Dahil kailangan natin bumili ng bagong leggings for ate girl. And then
pink rocks.
Pink Crocs daw niya. Gusto niya ng pink Crocs.
Because I need pink rocks. Because
Yeah.
I love pink.
Pink Crocs daw niya. And then we're gonna go buy some stuff for the end of school year na ibibigay natin sa mga classmate ni Chad, Caleb, and Troy. No, actually kay Troy lang ako magaganon nung end of school year handout. So yeah, so let's go home. Say let's go home.
Let's go home. And let's get ready. And my pink doll has some pink shoes too.
Alright, let's go. Oh guys, nagsuka si ate girl. Wala muna siyang pakialam ngayon sa mundo kasi nagsuka siya. Pero hindi naman bad. You okay, miss? Nagsuka si ate girl. But it's not bad.
Why don't you open the door?
You want me to open the door? Alright, go change. Ayan, okay na si ate girl, guys. She's eating. You good?
And I have water.
And then I give her some water.
Hey, I'm not coughing anymore.
Kung kailan na malapit na matapos ang school, doon pa sila i-start mag-ubu-ubuhan. Nakakaloka. Alright, you eat there. I'm gonna get me some coffee. Okay?
Okay.
Alis na tayo.
Can we go to the store now?
Yes, we're gonna go to the store now.
Where's the store?
Sure. Alis na tayo.
A bird.
Yeah, there's plenty of bird out there. Come on, let's go.
There's so many birds that live in the garden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dahil ano na guys, 9:30 na. So, let's go. Go.
This is our car. This is our.
Every day, it's up to you.
I'm buckled up.
You buckled up. Wala nang ginagawa yung mga student ngayon sa school, kaya nag-aano na lang sila. Yung teacher nagsisend ng mga videos, pictures, ganyan. Sa mga, yung sa field day na nangyari kahapon. Ay, naka. 4.
Yeah, so we can get me some pink rocks. Duh. And then get some
Gusto niya ng Crocs.
stuff for Troy.
So,
For Troy. For his
well,
stuff. Troy's
I don't know
stuff.
about Troy buying Crocs.
Well, he has to get. Troy already.
Ang mahal pa naman ang gusto nitong mabaitan nito.
Troy already has blue rocks.
Ang mahal ng gusto mo, girl. Alam mo yon?
Mommy, Troy already has blue rocks.
Well, we have to go get something for Troy's ano muna.
Can you?
For his graduation.
Oh, yeah.
Ayan, dito na kami sa mall, guys. Ayan. Medyo nagkandaligaw-ligaw pa kami.
What's called a
The mall? Look at me. It's a mall. Look. There's no car. Ngayon na lang ulit nakabalik ng mall. Ooh, it opened by itself. Ooh, yung zipper ko nakabukas. That one right there is straight. Nagsarado na yung ano dito, yung kinakainan namin dati. Nakakaloka. Go. Ay, sarado pa yung JCPenney. Okay. What time is JCPenney open? 10:30? Sarado pa yung JCPenney. Alright, let's go that way. Ooh, 5 and below. Oh my lord. Yeah? It's your first time here, huh? It's my first time too. Alaka. Addict na siya kay Hello Kitty. Huh? Oh my gosh. I can't take you here. You see a lot of Hello Kitty. Look, Sissy, look that way. Sissy, look at that way. Oh my goodness. Huh? Oh, look at that one. That's in the boat. Look at the scooter. It's a whole hoverboard. Hindi kita pwedeng dalhin dito ulit, girl. Huh? Which one? I don't know how much that is. Let's see how much it is. It's $5. Okay. Ito naman to. Only one, okay? Only one. Listen to me. Only one. We're getting one. Okay? Okay, let's go. We're just gonna look around. Ito yung bagong open dito. Yeah, only one. We're only getting one. Alas yun na. Oh, look, Sisi, look. Look, it's a lot of Hello Kitty. Oh, there's Bluey too. Ay, molder ng ano, ng cake. Meron na ako nito eh. Sweet heart. Oh, what is this? Like a house. Yeah.
I'll have
They're all $5. Look at that. Oh, look at the car, sissy. That's Chrome. That's Hello Kitty's friend. Look at this one. Look at that. Naku, nabubuan. Naku po, lagi magpapadala si ate girl dito. What's that? Bowling set. Ang dami pa ng Hello Kitty dito. Oh my gosh. Kahit ako, naku. Ano pa dito? I don't know. They all have Hello Kitty here. Look at that. Hello Kitty, inflatable character. Ay! This is the Hello Kitty remote control happy birthday. This one move.
Well, it would do great for my birthday, but
Okay. I'll get that for your birthday.
yay!
Ay, ito yung mirror na gusto ko. Ayan ang gusto kong mirror.
It can does it sing?
I think it sing too. See it sa ano. Hello Kitty and Friends. 12 days of Hello Kitty and Friends construction. May nakita ka na naman. Look. How much naman ito? Ay, $5? Bakit ang mahal naman ng ganito nila? $10? Ang mahal o $10? Pag dalawa binili mo, oh my gosh. Dahil may number na. Ito kay Kuya Caleb. Ito guys, malapit na birthday ni Caleb. Yes, for your birthday. Yeah. Oh, they have a birthday stuff in here too, sis. Yeah, they have Hello Kitty cups. Let's see what kind of decoration they have here for the birthday. Kasi para hindi na tayo tumingin kasi meron ng I think ano ang gagawin natin. I think this is Xbox. Xbox ba to? Ano ko Xbox to para kay Kuya Caleb dahil Xbox yun sa kanya. And this is basta PlayStation, whatever. Holy. Tawag dito guys, 5 and below. Ay, may ancient stuff sila dito. Sisi, get back here. Ay, may may boba. Ito yung boba. Taro. Try natin ito. Yeah. Yes. Boy, ang galing mo naman. Strawberry. Magkano to? $5. Try natin to. There's a popping boba. Ayan, popping boba. So guys, it is 10:43. Tignan nyo kung gaano ka-dead itong mall na to. Sobrang dead ng mall na to. O, diba? Yung ibang store kasi hindi pa bukas. I think they start at 11.
Then we can come back and then we can go in. And then see what we would like to see.
No, we're not gonna go back in there. Gusto daw ni ate girl ng pink Crocs. So we will see kung open yung shoe department dito. Baka lahat sila open at 11. Huh?
Come back tomorrow and then.
No, we are not going back tomorrow. We have to wait until they're open. Go. Walang tao dito kaya pwede kang ang ganda nung dress na yun. Huh?
Let's
You wanna sit there? Okay, sit there first. Bukas na yung Hobby Lobby. What?
Sit down and
I don't wanna sit down.
I'm just sitting. Okay, we can go.
Ayaw niya ako guys na ano,
When I want
na
to go.
patignan doon sa American Eagle. Hinila niya ako bigla. Sabi niya, let's go daw. Talaga itong baitan to. Gusto niya siya lang yung bibili. Hala, tinanggal na nila yung route ano dito. Route 21. Wala na. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Puro mga ano na lang sila. Wala na yung Route 21. Wala na din tong nag-ano dito. Sobrang dead na ng mall na to. As in. Ayan. Puro mga outdoor stuff na. My gosh. Ano nangyari dito sa mall na to? Hindi naman to ganito dati. Simula nag-start si COVID. Naging dead na tong mall. Alright, let's go see if Belk's open. Go. Go! Go. Go see your Crocs. Oops. Go straight to the kids area. Go straight to the kids area.
Which one is it?
Just go straight.
Which way do we go?
Just go this way.
Oh, again.
Bahala ka, mag-isa ka dito. Alam ko may, ano dito eh. Alam ko may Hello Kitty dito eh. Alam ko may Hello Kitty dito.
Mommy, can I watch Paw Patrol?
We're not here to watch Paw Patrol. We're here to get you your pink Crocs. Which one do you want?
That one.
That one?
Yeah.
Hold on. Let's get the... I don't know if that's the 11. Hold on. Oh, that's the white one. Oh, Sissy, this is 11. Come here and try it.
Can I?
Ooh.
It worked. But mommy, I want this. Down.
Huh? Well, put it down then. Put it down.
Can I wear them?
I think that's the size. Hold on.
Can I wear it?
Okay.
Can I wear them? Can I
Yes.
wear this one?
Yeah, let's see. If it fits you.
Can I wear them when we walk?
Go walk with it.
Favorite.
Was it? Let me see. Ay po, oo nga, tama, pwede. Kunti na lang yung agwat na lang pala. Is it all the way there?
Yeah. Can you please get them?
Okay.
Can you pop them in this bag?
Yeah, put it in this one.
But there's no space.
The other one. No, it's gonna go this way. There you go. I think that's the size for that. So, we will see. Stuck. Talaga naman si ate na to.
Make sure it fits.
Hindi naman siya yung bibilihan, pero...
Let's get it.
Alright, put your shoes on. So guys, ito nakuha ko na yung leggings ni Natalia para sa kanyang recital. Huy! Fucking kalabaw, nahulog ang lahat ng kalabaw. Ayan. So ito na guys, yung napili ni Daddy. So ito yung white. And then ito yung sanang pinagpipilian. Ayan. Pero gusto ni Daddy white. So let's go to white. Alright, let's go find a tie. Naglaro si ate girl. Okay, go. Uy! Lagi kami dito, guys. Nung wala pa yung pandemic, lagi kami dito. Pero simula nun, nag-pandemic, hindi na kami nagpupunta dito. First time lang niya lang mag-slide dito eh. Okay. Careful. Watch for your glasses, huh? I don't know where you want to go next.
Here I am.
What's that? Okay, ride it. Lord, girl. Nag-enjoy siya sa kanyang fun day. Dahil soon mag-i-school na siya. Kaya, titodo na niya. Guys, we are done. Ito na yung mga nabili ni Natalia. I-haul niya. Walk. Just walk. I know. Go. Where are you going? We are home, guys. We are home. So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng...
Zoom right next to me.
Okay.
Mommy, I went forward and it zoomed right next to me.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna sit right here and watch it.
So, guys, bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting haul sa nabili namin ni Natalia. Anak po si Natalia, guys. Nagpunta kami sa different store. Pero hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Pati yung pagbili ng mga bibili natin for the kids na pamimigay natin sa school nila, hindi ko na rin na-vlog kasi nga na ako dito kay Natalia dahil puro na lang. Gusto niya lahat ng store na pupuntahan namin is bibili. Ayun ang gusto niya. Like, lahat na lang ng store gusto niyang bilihan.
I wanna show them my new
Well,
toy.
right here then.
Look at my new toy, guys. It's a Hello Kitty drivey toy.
It's a Hello Kitty driving na meron siyang controller.
It looks
And this is only $5, guys.
and it looks
$5.
like a balloon.
Mm.
And this looks like a balloon.
Mhm. And then pakita ko din itong nakita ko na boba, instant boba milk tea kit. Ayan. This is $3 ata to. Ayan. And itatry natin siya. So, I got the taro flavor. And then, nakita ko itong
Okay.
mango flavor. Ewan ko, ano naman natin to? Ano ba to? Oh my gosh! Ito yung nakikita ko sa sa reels na
Wanna try?
Oh my gosh! It's real mango! Sisi, here, come here, try it!
Ooh, I love to try new stuff.
Come here! Oh my gosh, it tastes like mango!
Can't really taste this.
I'll chew it right here.
No.
You know more? Here, I got strawberry. Oh, grape.
Right?
Ito yung nakikita ko sa sa reels. Well, no, it tastes like real, talaga siya. Ayun, oh.
We can move this up so my new toy can get through.
Nagpunta kami sa
Toy, wanna see it?
pabilihan ng
Fast mode.
yung dapat na importante na bibilihin. Yun, nabili natin. Yung susuotin ni Troy for graduation tomorrow, ayan. Tapos,
My new toy.
ayan. And then, dahil yung kanilang is blue and yellow. So, ito yung necktie na nahanap natin. So, igaganyan natin siya, guys. Oh my God, it's so cute. Kasi yung kanilang, ano, is blue and, oh, nasabi ko na pa, blue and yellow. So, wala akong masyadong nahanap na may, more on blue. But, ito lang yung nahanap natin. Ba, okay lang yan. And then, nabili ko na din yung tights. Leggings ni Natalia. Ito naman sa shoe department. Yung kay Natalia ang Crocs. Ayan. Pinabili niya. Ano, walang size 10. So, 11 na lang. Pero kasi konti na lang din naman talagang sakto na sa kanya yung ano eh. Like, ganyan na lang yung difference eh. Mahaba ang paa nitong babaita na ito eh. Tapos, bibilihan ko siya ng mga ano dito, yung kits niya, yung may pinalo na lagyan. Bilang ko Hello Kitty, Barbie. Yun ang lalagyan natin dito.
Can I wear it? Can you take the top?
So, ito guys, dapat plastic na lang yung paglalagyan ko ng mga binili natin. Tapos,
Camera.
all of a sudden, ito, nakita ni Natalia. Ano siya? Inuman ng tubig. Wait lang.
Wait, is it a juice?
Yes, it's juice. Don't put your mouth in there. I need to wash it first. So, ayan. Inuman siya ng tubig, pero look like camera. So, eto, nahanap ko. Ito yung mga nakikita ko
Pineapple.
na nag-ano sa, ano, meron siyang ano, meron siya dapat yung popsicle. Kaso, ayan, lalagyan din siya ng tubig. Tapos, with the, ano, strap. Ayan. So, ang, ano, at saka, ito lang yung mga natira na. So, ilalagay natin dito is yung bubbles, yung maliliit lang na bubbles na ganyan. Tapos, chalk, and then, yung baril-barilan, I'm hoping na fit siya dito. Yung nilalagyan ng water, yun, water gun, ganyan. Tapos, maglalagay lang ako ng konting snack, ganon. So, yan. Ilalagay natin to sa kanilang basket. Ay, sa kanilang basket. Ilalagay natin to dito. So, mamaya ilalagay natin siya. Here, put this back over there, please. So, guys, mag-start na tayo na mag-prepare ng ilalagay natin sa ano ni Troy, sa classmate niya. Ha? So, we got bubbles. Wait, why don't you turn off, turn down the TV, girl? We got bubbles.
These off for now.
Labas na natin para...
I'm gonna take these off for now.
Right, we're not going anywhere.
But can you wait until I get past?
Okay. And then, may chalk din akong binili.
Oh yeah, I don't even have
Ayan.
one of those.
May chalk.
I don't even have one of those.
We can't because that's only for... Ano. Tapos, ito, yung water gun. Yan.
Mommy.
And then, nagpabili ako kay Daddy ng ano, mga chocolate. Ayan. Para mailagay natin.
Those are the surprise for Daddy.
Those are surprise for Daddy? No,
Yeah.
it's not. Daddy's the one that bought that. Sama natin si Natalia.
Mommy.
Ayan.
Mommy.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk
na sila guys. Tapos na. Hindi ko na masyadong na video kasi nahihirapan kami i-ano ni Natalia yung water gun. Yan. So, hindi ko na nilagay yung water gun.
Mommy, I'm just in time.
So, ayun na lang siya. Hanggang nasa gilid.
Hi, hi.
So, ayan.
Hi, hi.
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 Okay, move!
Can I show them my bubble? Bubble, bubble,
Hindi,
bubble.
ano eh.
Bubble, bubble,
Ayaw na lang maglaro ng ano niya. Dun sa mga kuya niya. Nanggugulo sa akin.
Bubble, bubble.
So, ayan. Tapos na.
Orange, green.
So, guys. Ayan. Tapos na tayo. So, i-end ko na ang vlog. Medyo, maliwanag pa sa labas. But anyways, i-end ko na ang vlog guys dahil patutulugin ko na sila. Tapos na rin sila kumain. And tomorrow is Choi's graduation. So, I am so tired. Nag-ano din kami. Nagpunta rin kami sa park pala. Nag-park din kami. Pero, hindi na ako nag-vlog. Hindi na ako nag-video. Kasi madalian lang dahil madalian lang yung pagpunta namin sa park. Hindi kagaya before na umalis kami sa park ng 6 o'clock doon. Minsan 6:30 pa nga eh. Pero this time maaga kaming umalis. Like 5:30 umalis na kami. So yeah. Kaya ayun, tapos na silang kumain and everything. Kaya magre-ready na sila for bed. So, ayan. Here si Sis, say bye-bye.
Mommy, look,
Come here!
I made a shape.
Okay, say bye-bye. Come here.
And you have to find
Say bye, everybody. Say see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Say see you tomorrow. Naglalaro na siya ng... What are you playing? Water gun.
I'm making shape.
Yeah, nag-shower, naligo na din yan, lahat-lahat.
I made all the shapes with different colors.
Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Blow kisses.
But my cheeks are sticky.
It's okay.